I've been exploring the HUD Dating app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. HUD is a casual dating app aimed at adults who want open-minded, non-judgmental connections rather than traditional long-term matchmaking. It is designed for people comfortable with casual encounters, open relationships, or simply exploring their preferences in a more relaxed environment. The overall feel is more playful and experimental than many mainstream dating apps, which will appeal to users who value honesty about intentions and prefer less traditional dating dynamics. At its core, HUD focuses on helping you meet nearby, like-minded adults who are clear about what they want. The onboarding process asks quite detailed personal and preference-based questions, which some reviewers find fun and engaging because it prompts you to think about what you like, what you do not like, and what you might be curious to try. This setup can make everyday use smoother, since profiles tend to show more than just a couple of photos and a vague bio, and it helps filter matches by interests, boundaries, and expectations. The app includes real-time tools like video chat, private photo sharing, and profile customization, so you can move from browsing to more direct interaction without swapping external contact details too quickly. However, the app is not without flaws. One recurring concern in user feedback is around location filtering and distance accuracy. Some people report that even when they set their preferences to their own town or state, they still see profiles from very distant places or even other countries, which can be frustrating if you primarily want local connections. The developers suggest that this may be related to expanded range settings and offer support, but it is still a pain point for those expecting more precise location-based matching. This can matter quite a bit in everyday use, since casual dating usually relies on convenient, nearby matches rather than long-distance chats. Overall, HUD is a solid choice if you value a casual dating environment and want an app that is open about hookups and non-traditional arrangements rather than hinting at them. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.